Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will learn how to download and install Cursor AI code editor. So search download Cursor AI and you will find the link. Click on Cursor and now it is showing download for Windows now it is showing download for Windows. So it detected my Windows machine and then provided the link to download the installer for Windows. So I clicked here and this is being downloaded here. Now I will click on the exe file, accept the license agreement and click next. Leave, this is the installation location. So click next and check this box, add to path and cursor register as editor for supported file types. Click next, then finally click on install. It is now installing the cursor editor. This is being installed. Cursor setup is running and it is installing the cursor editor. Launch cursor and then click finish. Cursor pricing is like this. For hobbyist it is free, for pro it is $20 per month, and for pro plus $60 per month, and for ultra 20x usage on all OpenAI Cloud Gemini models and priority access to new features. I'll click on sign up, continue sign in. Continue with Google. Continue. I will be using for myself and software engineer. Continue. Skip for now. Share data disable. Continue. Continue. Yes, login. Now it is logged in and I will continue. Import from VS Code. Okay. Okay. And open a project to select the folder. Now cursor is opening. Let's see. So it's creating the HTML form and generating the code. Copy this code, create a new file, paste the code here. Now reveal in Explorer. Now I will try to run this in the browser. So this is the nice student registration form that my cursor IDE created. Submit registration. So it is also providing the, it is also validating the form. Date of birth, I have to select anything. Male, female, address, applied for course, year, hobbies, additional information. Now it is, I have to confirm. Now the form is submitted. So this way you can use the cursor IDE for programming. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.